Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix your Snapchat ban. Follow these steps to try and resolve the issue. First, make sure you have Snapchat with the latest updates. If you don't, go to the App Store and update it now. Next, go to your iPhone's settings. Find and tap on the General tab. In General, select iPhone Storage. In iPhone Storage, locate Snapchat in the list of apps. Tap on Snapchat and then tap Offload App. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Next, go back to General in the settings. Find and tap on Date and Time. Turn off Set Automatically. Manually set the date and time to a different time zone or another time away from your current time zone. Now go back to the iPhone Storage section. Find Snapchat again and tap Reinstall App. After following these steps, your Snapchat ban might be lifted. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thank you for watching.